For the home, kitchen and beyond, Whirlpool manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Whirlpool appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Whirlpool Dishwasher is not cleaning dishes. Water inlet valve. The water inlet valve opens to allow water to enter the dishwasher. If the valve is clogged or defective, the dishwasher won't get enough water to clean dishes properly. If the water inlet valve is clogged, replace it. Do not attempt to clean the water inlet valve. Cleaning the valve could make it more likely to fail. Whirlpool dishwasher won't drain. Drain impeller. The drain impeller pushes water through the drain hose and into the garbage disposer or drain line. If the impeller is broken, replace it. Whirlpool dishwasher buttons not working. Touch pad. First, confirm that the dishwasher display is working. If the display is still working, try pressing some of the touchpad buttons. If some of the buttons respond correctly but others don't, it is likely that the touchpad is at fault. Some manufacturers sell the touchpad separately from the control panel. Other manufacturers require that you purchase the touchpad and control panel together. If you cannot replace the touchpad individually, replace the touchpad and control panel. Whirlpool dishwasher lights flashing or blinking. Heating element. The heating element heats up the water to operating temperature. If the water doesn't reach the proper temperature after a set amount of time, a light on the control panel might start flashing. To determine if the heating element has burned out, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the heating element does not have continuity, replace it. Whirlpool dishwasher leaking. Water inlet valve. The water inlet valve opens to allow water to enter the dishwasher. If the water inlet valve is stuck open, the dishwasher will continue to fill with water until the dishwasher leaks or overflows. If the water inlet valve is at fault, replace it. Water inlet valves are not repairable if the valve is defective. You must replace it. Whirlpool dishwasher leaking from motor area. Impeller and seal kit. First, try to determine the source of the leak. If the water is leaking from the motor shaft area, the motor shaft seal is likely defective. If the seal is defective, replace it. Some manufacturers sell the seal independently of the impeller. Other manufacturers require that you purchase the impeller and seal together. Still other manufacturers require that you purchase the entire pump and motor assembly instead of the impeller and seal. It is usually more cost-effective to replace the impeller and seal kit rather than the pump and motor assembly. Whirlpool dishwasher won't start. Door switch. The door switch prevents the dishwasher from running while the door is open. If the door switch is defective, the switch will prevent the dishwasher from running even when the door is closed. To determine if the door switch is at fault, use a multimeter to test the switch for continuity. If the switch does not have continuity, replace it. Whirlpool dishwasher won't latch. Door hinge. If the door hinges are damaged, the door won't be able to latch properly. Inspect the door hinges for damage. If a hinge is bent or broken, replace it. Whirlpool dishwasher dispenser not dispensing soap. Bimetal. The bimetal actuator is a metal loop which acts as a latch for the dispenser door. As electricity is applied to the bimetal, it deforms and bends away from the latch, releasing it. If the bimetal is burned out, it won't release the dispenser door. To determine if the bimetal has burned out, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the bimetal does not have continuity, replace it. In addition, make sure that the dishwasher is getting enough water. If the water level is too low, the wash motor may not draw enough current through the bimetal, causing the bimetal not to bend enough to work properly. Whirlpool dishwasher won't fill. Water inlet valve. The water inlet valve opens to allow water to enter the dishwasher. If the water valve is clogged or defective, water will not flow into the dishwasher. Water inlet valves are not repairable. If the valve is defective, you must replace it. Whirlpool dishwasher making noise. Circulation pump. The circulation pump motor has bearings that wear out over time. When the motor bearings fail, they generate a continuous drone. If the motor bearings have failed, you must replace the entire circulation pump. Whirlpool dishwasher overflowing. Water inlet valve. The water inlet valve is an electrically controlled valve that opens to allow water to enter the dishwasher. Depending on the model, the valve stays open either for a set length of time or until the dishwasher has enough water. However, If the water inlet valve doesn't shut off after the dishwasher has enough water, the dishwasher will overflow. If water drips into the dishwasher when the door is open, or if water collects at the bottom of the dishwasher while it is not used, you may need to replace the water inlet valve. Whirlpool dishwasher not drying dishes. Vent. The vent might not be opening properly as the dishes are drying. Many dishwashers use a vent to let out the hot, steamy air generated during the rinse cycle. If the vent does not open properly, the dishwasher will leave moisture on the dishes. Check the vent to ensure that it is opening properly.